Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can solve the problem of Instagram not opening up on our device. So for that, go to your settings. I will basically show you two ways to do it, and one of the ways should work for you. So after getting into your settings, go down and you will see this option of app settings. Click on it, and here you will see this option of dual apps, or it can be named as clone app in your mobile phone. So just click on it and then create a clone of your app, Instagram app to be precise. Just click on create, search on Instagram and create Instagram clone. And after that, open up your Instagram using your cloned Instagram, and you will be able to log into your Instagram account and it will open up quite easily. And if it doesn't work at all you can do is just go back to your settings and then apps, and then instead of clicking on dual apps this time, click on manage apps and then search for Instagram here. Click on it, then click on storage, and after that clear data. Clear cache memory first, and it will remove all the corrupted files of your Instagram. And if it still gives you any problem, you can also clear the user data. And after clearing that, just restart your device and you will be able to log into your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.